Alright guys, so here's another job for today. We gotta replace the radiator. It's a 95 Corvette. So the radiator started leaking out on the plastic side on that side. So we're gonna be putting a full racing aluminum radiator on it. That way we kind of eliminate the plastic from breaking apart. So right now we already took the intake manifold off. Not the manifold, the intake piping. We took it all complete. The little clips there, the sensor, and then the from the throttle body itself. So it has this little nipple here that hooks up to it, and these sensors.
Esto de aire funcionó, ¿no?
No. So de agua.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hook. That's a water supply that goes underneath the throttle body. Hook that. We gotta unhook this. We got these plugs here. We got some studs here on the bottom, and the fan has like 4 bolts here, and I believe like 4 bolts on the bottom. So it's quite a few stuff that we gotta get done. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted as soon as we go forward. But this is the beginning. Alright guys, so we got the top bolts off. As you can see, the radiator's off, and this bracket here holds the box here, and that bolt right there on the bottom. Now we're going to take off those 4 little screws there. We got to take those off for this half part to come up. So basically I think that there's going to be 2 coming in this way that we can take off, and the other one has to be by hand. On the other side is the same thing, but on the other side we have like a box that we just tried to remove right now. That box on there, you can see that, yeah, that air box thing right there. So we can have some space to be able to stick our hand in there. Most likely the horn we're gonna have to take out as well, so just to be able to get those screws. And then we have the top piece off free, and we should be able to remove that part. But as of now, we gotta take those little screws out. So keep you posted right after that. Alright guys, so we're finally. Dime.
Ya cuando te zafes esta manguera lo alas para arriba y ya lo zafas para el diente.
Yeah. Pusiste la tártara baja para el agua, ¿no?
Sí, claro.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we finally got the 3 bolts out. Actually, it's like there's 3 here, there's 3 right here, and then there's 3 on the other side. So we got that out. We got this out. Now we're just doing the radiator bolts on the bottom. Oh, actually, I think it's just the clamps that we gotta remove, and the radiator comes out. So let me do that, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is the new radiator. You can see the thickness of it. See how thick that is. And then this is the old one. See how thick that is, and the plastic end caps. And this is let me see, where is it that it broke off. Oh, right over here. Right there, you can see that crack. That's where it broke off. And this is just how thin the radiator is. So we're gonna put the new one back on and keep on going. So I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so here it is. It's just all done. We put everything back together. Everything fits just fine. The grommets need to be changed on the bottom here, but the radiator is fatter, so it doesn't fit. And we have to trim a little bit the inside of the radiator, so everything will fit inside perfectly fine. But other than that, we bled out the system. There's this little nipple right here to bleed the system out, to get some of the air out. And then you get a reservoir here. And here you bleed the system, let it run to temperature. And then you bleed the system and make sure you let it run for a little while so it will stay on temperature. But yeah, so it's all ready to go. And No, I'm just checking the service light on and that's all. But everything is back together and everything is good to go. Alright guys. As always, share, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you.